Naturopathy is a branch of healthcare that combines modern treatment with traditional methods. It includes alternatives, natural therapies to modern medicines. Naturopathy focuses on body's capacity to heal itself, and it prevents health problems, a personal responsibility to optimize health. Naturopathy treatment plans focuses on prevention and education. They often emphasizes stress management, exercise and diet. Naturopathy is a series of beliefs and principles to create individual treatment plans. Naturopathy focuses on self-healing, which is identifying and removing obstacles to recovery, allows for natural healing. Other beliefs of naturopathy includes underlying symptoms rather than stopping symptoms. A naturopathic doctor can resolve mental issues by treating the mind, body and spirit. Other practices of naturopathy include harmless treatment, which is organizing treatment plans that should not have harmful side effects, or control symptoms negatively. Another treatment includes holistic treatment, in which a naturopathic doctor must recognize individually, to treat all the aspects of a person's health effectively. It is important to give education in treatment. A naturopathic doctor teaches self-care to help empower people against ill health. Another thing which can be said about naturopathy is prevention, that it is good to remove toxic substances from a lifestyle to prevent problems from arising.